Hi guys, and welcome to this educational stock analysis video for the day. So in this video, I'll be talking and analyzing the stock of Indusind Bank. Okay, so I'll be showing you the analysis based on price action way and also technical way and also the fundamental way as well. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay, and please note this video is only for educational purpose. Okay, I'm not asking you to buy, sell or trade in this stock. This is purely for educational purpose. Okay, so now let's see how the Indusind Bank is trading. So currently we are observing this in 1 day time frame and without any indicators. So based on a quick price action based, I'll just give you the idea how the stock is performing right now. So if you guys can see, the stock made a 52-week high of 1694, and from there the stock has come down here and it has touched the same support level for 3 times here, as you guys can see, from January to March, and almost again in March again it has touched 3 times the same support. And you can see here the key resistance also, it has been touched almost same time for 3 consecutive times. So if you guys can see here, you will come to know that this 1572, that resistance, the key resistance, is actually the important one, and this stock should give the breakout here in order to go up and perform more in a bullish way. Okay, so this is a quick overview what we can see in 1 day time frame. So now what you should do with this stock? So what should you do if you're already bought the stock, or should you buy now, or what is your plan? So I'll be telling you all these things in the video, so watch the video till the end. And before that, if you guys are new to a stock market trading or want to learn how to make consistent profit in swing trading or intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join my course with my 5 years plus of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skill set and accurate strategies to make you as a good and accurate profitable trader. Okay, and also once you join, you get my personal live market support as well. The course prices are very reasonably priced. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me to be a profitable and accurate trader from today. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's get back to the Indusind Bank analysis. So yes, firstly, this stock has to get this resistance level given a breakout, and that's when we can expect the stock to go up. So that's one simple thing. So that's what you can see in a price action based way. So now if we quickly see in a technical way, so you can see here, so I have plotted 3 important moving average. One is 50, 100 and 200. Okay, so the blue one is 200 and the red one is 50 and the green is 100. So now if you see, the Indusind Bank is trading above 100 EMA line. Okay, so this should give a crossover is what I'm guessing. The red one should come up. Okay, so the 50 EMA should come up and the green one should hold up, and that's when we can guess that this resistance of 1574 is going to give a breakout. Okay, so once we get that breakout, then we can expect the stock to go up. And also you can see RSI is not actually towards the overbought zone, it is almost turning towards the downside now, and this also we are doing in 1 day time frame analysis. And you can see MACD here, MACD is not yet giving a strong bike kind of formation here. It is still giving the divergence towards the short selling side, I mean towards downside. So if MACD turns here the curve towards the upside, and if RSI tends to go up in a overbought zone, then we can expect a strong bias to come in and this resistance to give a breakout. So remember guys, 1574 is one of our key important resistance level for this stock. So once this breaks only, we can expect the stock to go more further higher. Okay, so now what should you do with this trade? So if you're already holding this trade from any of a support level, then you can book your partial profits here if you're a safe trader, or if you still want the stock to go up, then of course you can hold the stock and wait for it to go up. Okay, but if you are trying to take a fresh entry here, I would not recommend that. And please note, this is only for educational purpose and my analysis only, but you can do the trades as per your plan and analysis. Okay, because because if you are taking the fresh entry in any kind of stocks for short term or long term trade, make sure you get it at a very good price. Okay, because you don't have to buy any stock at resistance level and wait for it to go up or break the resistance. That will be a little bit of a riskier side. So it's always better for the stocks to buy when they are in a support level. So always try to get the stocks which are at a support level. Okay, so once you join my course, I will be guiding you all these things about catching the good stock in support level where you can find very good entries. Okay, and now how to avoid the mistake of entering in wrong time. So all these things I'll be guiding you. Okay, so as I'm making this video for this stock, for example, I'm telling you that this is the resistance level. So if you are wanting to make a fresh entry, then you can wait for the stock to come down again, or you can wait for the resistance to give a breakout. Okay, so if you're a safe trader, you will always try to buy the stock at support level and book your profit at your resistance level based on the what term of a trade you're doing, whether you're doing a mid term or a short term or a swing trade. So it completely depends on you, the percentage of target what you're aiming and everything. So always make sure that you know where you're exiting also. So many people concentrate on good entries and later they don't know when to exit. So you should always have a plan of exiting as well by having a certain percentage of profit which is fixed in your mind. So once that profit percentage comes, kindly take a exit and invest the same amount again in the stocks which are at a good support level. Okay, so instead of taking the risk in the same stock, because you can't wait for the same stock to go 50% up straight single line like that, because the stock will always consolidate. So what is happening now is actually the consolidation phase. Okay, so once it consolidates again, and once again if it comes to the support level, definitely you can start buying again, is what my view is. Okay, so this is about technical way what I said you right now. So now let's talk more about a little bit of fundamental, so that you'll get to know how the stock is performing and how the company is performing. Okay, so this is a banking stock. So if we quickly see how the Nifty Bank has performed in past few days, so I'll just quickly pull up Nifty Bank index chart. Okay, so this is the Nifty Bank index chart what we are seeing here. So Nifty Bank has also made a high point here, almost around 49,076, and from there, from the last couple of days, it has come down. So yes, it is almost just a new 52-week high itself, but today the market has opened in a bearish way. So that's the reason why it has come down today. But you can see here Nifty 50 within the last, the Nifty Bank had gone up in the last 2 days back and made a new high, but Indusind Bank is not in that range. You can see that Nifty 50 Bank has gone up, but Indusind Bank has come down here. Okay, so you need to keep this in your mind as well. So this stock is still at its resistance level, so this should get a good bias to give a performance in a buying side. Okay, so now let's quickly see what are the strengths of this stock in a fundamental way. So this stock is a strong momentum stock. Yes, of course, as you guys see, the momentum is higher because this is a stock which is above 1,000 rupees. So you can easily expect momentum to be good. And also if you're trading this stock for intraday, easily you can expect 15 to 20 points of movement in a day. Okay, effectively using the shareholders fund. So this stock has given a good return on equity as well, which is improving from the last 2 years. Effective in managing assets to generate profit, so that is also good. And also growth in net profit with increasing profit margin and increasing revenue every quarter for the past 4 years. Okay, and increasing profit every quarter for the past 4 years, and annual net profits are also improving from the last 2 years. Book value per share improving for the last 2 years, and company with decreasing promoters pledge and FII, that is foreign investors or institutionals, are increasing their shareholding. Okay, and if we quickly see what are the weaknesses here, so mutual funds decreased their shareholding in the last quarter. Poor cash generated from the core business. So these are the few weaknesses. Declining net cash flow, companies with higher promoter pledge. And this stock has one threat: promoter decreasing their shareholding. So that's the thing what they have now. And if we just quickly see the overall view in the technical, it is just showing it as bullish. But if you see in the fundamental way, the stock to get in a bullish way, it is taking some time. If it's actually in a good bullish momentum, then this 1574 resistance should have given a breakout, but I don't think so. It's that a kind of a strong bullish momentum as of now. And also today the market is down. Okay, it was gap down, and also the market started to go down today. So this is how the Nifty 50 is performing today. So if I show you in a 15 minutes time frame, so this is how it is performing today. Yes, it tried to go up, but it couldn't sustain, and again the market is starting to come down. So that's why it is down today. Okay, so but other than that, we should see how the Indusind Bank will perform in the next upcoming days. So if the resistance break, or if it comes to the support, depending on that, you can take the trades as well. Okay, so if you see the financials, it is showing that their financials are weak with score of 4. Okay, and let me quickly show you some of the important fundamental data which will be helpful for you to identify how the stock is. So if we quickly see the overview and revenue of the stock, so the revenue in 2023 has increased. Okay, and if you see the net profit also, it has increased 7,443 crore on 2023. And if we come to the income state also, you can see how they have earned the interest in annually. I'll just show you. So the first row is for 2023 and the second is for 2022, 21, 20 and 2019. So interest earned on 2023 is 36,367 and 22 was 30,822. So yes, it has increased. Even the other incomes also has increased. Total income is also given as good increment here, and their expenditure is also increased. If you guys can see from the last 2-3 years, if you see the difference, their expenses has been increased. But on here you can see 2020 it was only 24,906, on 2021 it was 23,628. In March 2022 it was 25,132, but here you can see their expenses has been more here, above 5,000 plus. Okay, so the 2023 total expenditure is higher in this banking share. And you can see operating profit here 14,419. Okay, for the current 2023 year, which has been increased. That's good. So this is how it is on their income statement. So let me show you the cash flow statement. What is interesting here, if you guys can see, their operating activities has been reduced on 2023. You can see March 2022 operating activities was 16,672. Okay, and on March 2023 it is minus 12,442. So this is the one thing what you need to be aware about in this stock. And you can see investing activities has been down here continuously, and financing activities, in March 2022 it was minus 4,302, but in 2023 it is 1,114, which is increased. And you can see net cash flow is in a minus 11,807 for 2023. That's the latest data what we have here. And this is the balance sheet what we can see. You can see the share capital is almost from the last 3 years it's almost stable, 773, 774 and 775. Okay, you can see how the deposits is and the borrowings is. So the borrowing has been actually decreased. You can see here on March 2000 they had borrowing of 60,000. On 2021 it was 51, on 2022 it was 47, but on 2023 they took 49,011. Okay, and you can see the liabilities also have been increased here, 17,700 as of now, the latest data. And you can see that fixed assets are also been increased here, and the total liabilities is also been increased here. Okay, so these are the little fundamental what you need to know about Indus India Bank share, and this is about the shareholding pattern. So FII are holding the most shares here in this stock, 42.47%, and promoters are only holding 16.45, and DII domestic investors are holding 26.67, and public is holding only 14.4% in this Indus India Bank. So I hope you guys like this video, and this was a quick overview of the stock, and this is only for educational purpose again. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.